Hi everyone, we're going to practice a rhythm called hip hop. Now hip hop has a really strong 2 and 4 which we're going to clap to. So it sounds little like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you will have heard I put a strong foot on the 1. So when we practice you can do that as well. And we're also going to add in a little bit of this. Now we also have something called a break. Now our break is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, stop with your hands to the sides, and then you're going to put your hands on your hips, and we're going to go hip hop. So all together, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, stop, 2, 3, hip hop. 1, 2, 3, let's go. One, 2, 3, 4, stop, 2, 3, hip hop. One, 2, 3, 4, stop, 2, 3, hip hop. One, 2, 3, 4, stop, 2, 3, hip hop. One, 2, 3, 4, stop, 2, 3, hip hop.